Hi, this is Jose Fernandez from Joe's Kitchen Recipes, and today I have done Rawa fried chicken fillets. If you like my recipe, do give a like and share the recipe with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you. God bless you all. For the chicken Rawa fry, I have taken chicken breast which I have cut into thin slices. Using a fork, just make holes inside it. Place them in a plate and add salt as per your taste. Half a teaspoon of black pepper powder, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, half a teaspoon of dhania jeera powder, cumin and coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of chicken masala, 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, half a lime juice, half a teaspoon of garam masala. Mix everything well. Add 1 egg. Also add 1 tablespoon of corn flour. Mix everything well. In a plate, add semolina. Place the chicken breast in the semolina. Coat the chicken breast in the semolina on both the sides. Press a little bit. The oil is hot. Dip the Rawa coated chicken breast in the hot oil. And fry it on medium heat till they turn golden and crispy. The chicken breast fillets are well fried and turn golden in color. Fry the remaining one like this.